Both parties are really sharpening their defense. It's a split verdict. Nobody believes that they have really lost the case. As far as DOT is concerned, sources tell us that the Department of Telecom has sought legal opinion from the Law Ministry as well as the ASG who was on the case. After this, the next steps will be whether or not penalties should be imposed on companies, whether there should be a coercive action that should be taken against them, asking them to stop these services with immediate effect. Remember, that is exactly how this entire midnight drama unfolded when on 23rd of December 2011, overnight, DOT had asked companies to stop these services, 3G services, in circles where they do not have 3G spectrum. As far as companies are concerned, they are also sharpening their defense. They will be moving Supreme Court shortly on this. They believe that the interim relief to not really pursue any coercive action, not take any coercive action against them stays, and to ensure that their 3G business model at least remains under status quo, they will definitely move a higher court, which is Supreme Court in this case. So clearly this drama, this tussle over 3G airways is far from over. You'll see a lot more of them in the next few months.
And that will certainly be keeping you busy. Thanks very much, Gauri, for giving us those details. Meantime, 2 days after Sharad Pawar resigned as the chairman of the Spectrum EGOM, Law Minister Salman Khurshid says there's too much pressure and scrutiny, making it too tough to arrive at any final decision on this contentious issue. Let's listen in.
And as far as the GOM is concerned, the EGOM is concerned, I'm sure the Prime Minister will reconstitute it shortly and we will begin our work right away. My honest feeling is that there is too much undue pressure being placed on people who have to decide by the media, by people who are stakeholders, etc. It seems that somehow the discussion has become so shrill, and it's so there are undercurrents of question marks about motivations, integrity, and so on, which is distorting the entire discussion, and I think it's really unfair.